To set up Ultrimix-MXR, go to the Frame Configuration menu and click on the Audio Mixer tab. In this tab, you can select the number of audio mixer partitions, name each partition, set the mode to either mono or stereo, and designate which outputs are used for the master and monitor outputs. The mixer inputs and outputs need to be added to the sources and destinations database, if they aren't already. To add the mixer inputs, go to the Destinations menu, click on Fill IO, and set the template to Audio Mixer, and select either mono or stereo fill. Select internal and highlight all of the audio mixer inputs. Click on Fill and set the default name. For the outputs, we will repeat the same process in the Sources menu by setting the template, selecting internal, and highlighting the inputs. You can also add direct outputs that provides post-channel processing for each input back into the database as sources. Once the audio mixer has been added to the database, we can go to the panels and set up the audio mixer control. Launch the Panels menu. Click on Add, give the panel a name, and set the style to Audio Mixer. In the Data tab, add the audio levels, either audio level 1 for mono or both audio levels 1 and 2 for stereo mixers. In the Sources tab, add the sources you want available to the audio mixer. You are not required to add destinations to the audio mixer. Go to the Partitions tab and add at least one mixer partition. The Layout tab allows you to customize how the audio mixer is laid out. On the bottom, because we added sources, we need to make sure that they are accessible in the audio mixer interface. Click on the Add button, set the type to left and the style to Sources, and hit Apply. If you added destinations, you will also need to add destinations to either the left or right drawer. Launch the Audio Mixer panel. For a better view, click Shift F11 to go full screen. To route sources, select a channel and the source drawer will automatically pop out. Select your source and the drawer will slide back in. Repeat this process for all additional channels. On the bottom of the screen, you can click on the left and right arrow to access additional channels. You can access different aux mixes by clicking the left and right buttons below the master fader. Each input channel has a noise gate, compressor, limiter, and equalizer. When you click on any of these, the right drawer will slide out for adjustments. When you are finished, click the arrow on the right-hand side of the screen to get rid of the drawer. Clicking under the mute button will slide out the preprocessor menu to adjust gain, balance, summing, and phase inversion. Clicking on the arrows on the side will slide out the drawers and allow for manual navigation of the additional menus. Back in the Panels menu, you can customize the layout a bit more. One tip, if you have lots of channels in your audio mixer and would like to see more at once, you can add columns and rows to see more simultaneous channels.